Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and linking the payment method. Open Cash App, Tap Bank, or My Cash, and add the debit card you already use in Apple Pay. Once added, open Apple Wallet and confirm the card is present and verified. This avoids duplicate rejects. Make sure iOS has Apple Pay enabled in settings, otherwise the system won't let you transfer. You're now ready to move funds from Apple Pay balance onto the linked card via Cash App. Next, you'll perform the actual transfer steps in Cash App. Tap Add Cash, enter the exact dollar amount you want on Cash App, and choose the linked debit card that's also in Apple Pay. Use the card itself rather than a linked bank account for faster credit. Once selected, confirm the charge and authenticate with PIN, Touch ID, or Face ID. This triggers an authorization that pulls funds via the card network. Wait a minute for the instant post, or allow 3 business days if routed as standard. Finally, confirm completion and know what to do if it stalls. After authorization, open activity in Cash App to verify the charge cleared and your Cash App balance increased. If you see a pending hold, make sure the card isn't flagged by Apple Pay or your bank. Pending holds often clear within 3 business days. If the charge fails, collect the transaction ID and screenshots, then contact Cash App support. This helps them trace the card network flow and resolve declines quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.